Hey guys, Inkong here, welcome back to another video. And today I'm with a review, and it's going to be the last video of the year, because I forgot to upload after about a month ago. But I have got some other things planned, like this, and today's topic, Doctor Who Screwdriver. The 13 Doctors. Woohoo. So yeah, first off, they covered the bottom. Look at that. No, that emitter. Sorry. Electronic lights and sounds. New diagnostic sound effect in Dr. Sonic Screwdriver. Made by character. How to put in the batteries. See inside sleeve for instructions. Right, we're going to leave the screwdriver and look at the instructions. Oh, jeez. Yeah, the instructions are right. How to get the batteries and buttons. What does button B do? Button B is dummy and does not function. Wonderful. So I'll be back in a second. Well, not a second, I'll be back when I open the package, because it's kind of tough. Look. Right, got it out. And it's kind of, oh jeez, it just lit up. Right, it's kind of big, I think. Compare it. Let me get out. There are 10 doctors. Okay, here we go. Normal 13 Doctors is taller by a substantial amount, and the 10th Doctors is taller in this when it's raised. So yeah, there's also, let's try the button. That's a dummy button, sorry. By the way, if you put it in your hand, it randomly lights up, and there's screws on it. Can't have a screwdriver without a screw. And there's a big line in the middle. Wonderful. Oh geez, there's text. Right there. You might not be able to see it, but there is text. Take my word. Right. Let's compare these. Okay. Well, that's better in one way. Lights low. It kind of dies out. This one is quieter and everything, and yeah. Now this isn't the brightest, and you can see all the LEDs in it. Yeah. And look at there, you can see through sometimes. Okay. Now second sound effect. Oh, that's perfect diagnostic. May know that from the actual show where it goes. Wow. Okay, that's just a test. Okay, now the final sound. Been used before. Right, yeah, I haven't seen it on a screwdriver, but it's been another one. So, is it better than the 10th Doctors? It has no UV pen. The light isn't as good, personally. I do like it. But I think it's decent. Not as good as the 10th Doctors, but good enough. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. And I'll see you next year. Bye bye.